the lab now. So now I'm in the corridor of my lab. It is located in the Faculty of Dentistry. It's a small faculty, and the physiology part is also small. This lab here specializes in environmental physiology, heat acclimation and so on, and is headed by Michal Horowitz, my chief. There are a few other physiologists on the owner that deal with taste and smell, and this is the entrance to my own lab. As you can see, it deals with chronic pain, and these are the people that work in the lab. Let's see today. This is where Sasha Ratner is working. This is our electrophysiology. We do single unit recording from rat peripheral nerve and record from spinal cord. Much hasn't been published yet because I am a lazy writer. This is where we do behavior. We have here a CO2 laser, von Frey, and all kinds of other testing models. Any kind of a thermal sensory testing for humans, and here we are just testing ourselves for microdialysis of awake rats. I'll come back to that later. This is our biochemistry unit, where Ina Belfer, who is not here today, is going to run HP analysis of amino acids of the perfusates, the dialysates coming from the spinal cords of the rats. We're going to work on rats that Marshall has selected, the HALA rats. This is work that we are working on. This is a study that we are working on in my own lab. Marshall just contributes the rats. This is a history. Ilya, an MSc student, is going to do amino acid staining, immunocytochemical staining of dorsal horn neurons, stained for GABA, glycine and taurine. Now let's my room. You may be able to smell the coffee that Sasha is cooking at the moment. When you come here, I promise to make you the best Arab coffee. Please meet Sasha. Sasha is the only one around here at this part of the morning. The student will come later on. Sasha is going to feed rats with bread and cucumbers. We are running now a study on the effect of food on neuropathic pain. Bye. Bye. Very sweet man. I'm very fortunate to have him. So this is my desk. Don't get it wrong. We cleaned it yesterday, and it's very untypical. This is where we quantify histological work and make all kinds of papers on that will come out later. This is another unit for biochemistry and of amino acid analysis. I hope very much that this will be an interesting part of the work that we're going to publish in the coming years. So, with this happy note, I'm going to say hello to you and show you some other parts of the faculty and of the buildings.